Hello! So I'm the English teacher, and with Marcos, that is my colleague, we've been working on this teddy cell project that we have been developing for the last months, in which we have built a teddy cell. So now the rest of the students are going to parade and show you their result. Bye!
Bye bye!
The best part of the project is the result. Because I was very surprising when I saw the result of the finish, because I don't think that I do this. And the hardest is when I steal my fields. Thanks to this project, I learned to be more patient to things that are difficult.
The best part of this project is that we lost class, that is very important. The hardest is that when I sew my airplanes, and thanks of this project, I learned that sew is difficult.
The best part of this project was the result, because I think that my cell will be more ugly, but I like it a lot. And the harder part was sewing, because I don't like sew, and I became very nervous. And with this project, I learned how to sew.
The best part of this project was that I learned a lot, and this is very entertainment. The hardest part of this project was that was shoot, and I learned a lot of things like how to shoot and the parts of the cell.
Hi, this is my animal eukaryotic cell, and the best part of this project was to spend time with my classmates. The hardest part of this project was to sew, and with this project I learned that it is better to let my grandmother sew my things.
The best part of the project was to finish the cell, because it was very amazing, and the hardest part was being stringed by the needle, and I learned a lot to sew.
This is my project cell, and the best part of this project was drawing the nucleus, because it's so pretty. The hardest part was put the thread in the needle, because it was so small. I learned about the project that I won't do any one of these.
Hi, this is my teddy cell, and the best part of this project was the knowledge I got with it. The best part was sewing, and thanks to this project I learned it.
Hello, I am Adrian, and this is my teddy cell. I think that the funniest thing of this project was see the results, because it's very beautiful, and the hardest part was sew the cell, because I don't know how to sew, but well, I learned to sew this project.
Hi, this is my teddy cell. The best part of this project was the final result. The hardest one was sewing, and with this project I learned how to sew like my grandmother.
Hello, the best part of this project was the final result. The hardest was sewing, and I learned more or less to sew.
Hi, the best part of the cell was make it in class.
the hardest part was doing it because it's difficult and and I learned how to sew the cell structure because it's a very important thing to the life.
Hi, I'm Jorge and this is my beautiful cell, Saul. The best part of the project was work with my friend Adrian because I love Adrian. The hardest part was soup because I don't like soup. And thanks to this project, I learned to say the cell parts.
Hi, I'm Marta and this is my not finished teddy cell. The best part of this project was, I don't know, the hardest was sewing, and with this project I learned that sewing is very difficult.
Hello, this is my TEDxL project. The best part was stay with my friends doing the cell, but it was difficult to swim, but we learned to swim good.
Hi, I think that the best part of the TEDxL project was to start the cell, and the hardest one to swing the cell because I damaged my fingers, and I think that I learned to shoot well.
Hi, the best part of this project was that we lost a lot. The hardest part of this project was sewing the cell, and thanks to this project, I learned the parts of an eukaryotic animal cell.
The best part of this project was doing with my classmates and my teachers. This project doesn't have a bad part because all the projects of biology and English are good, and the most difficult thing was no.